In this episode, an urban teacher named Maya abandons nearly all possessions to live aboard a small docked sailboat. She documents mornings with cold showers, a single sailcloth bed, and cooking on a portable stove secured to the deck. Challenges include sudden rain delays, missing routines, and skeptical friends, yet she discovers time savings and sharper focus. The payoff appears as calmer mornings, bolder harbor chats with neighbors at anchor, and a renewed curiosity about seascapes. This radical shift proves freedom can arrive when belongings shrink and attention expands, inviting viewers to rethink what they truly need.